Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Another small project. When I'm trying to turn up my heat, I notice that it doesn't come on until I reach 4. Can you hear it there? And then it only works on high. Now I did some research and found out that that only happens when the motor blower resistor goes. Blower resistor. I didn't see any videos online about the motor blower resistor. So I took off my wipers and I'm hoping that it's somewhere behind here. Let's take a look. Here we are. Wipers are out. These are the covers here. This filter here, I definitely want to replace it since I'm here. Look how dirty this filter is. I mean, I won't be surprised if that's the one that came with the car. But since I'm back here, I might as well replace this dirty filter. Let me put this phone down and take that out. Okay, I think this is our motor blower the motor blower right here itself. And I'm hoping that the resistor is not too far from it so that I can swap it out. Okay, to get this wiper assembly out of the way, you got 3 screws. You got one here, you got one there, and then you got a third one right here next to the motor. Once you take those screws out, you just disconnect this clip here. To disconnect this clip, you stick a screwdriver behind this red part and push it out. And that's all you gotta do. To remove this, you got one screw down here. You got one over there. And you got one over there. And you got a small one right here. So 4 screws altogether. Okay, it looks like I found our resistor here. The resistor is sitting right here on top of the blower motor. So to get to that resistor, you definitely got to take off the wipers. You got to take off the wiper assembly. As you can see there, I didn't even bother disconnecting it because the clips look like it's been there too long and I don't want to just try to open it and break the clip, so I left it connected, but I removed it from on top of this blower here. And there's our resistor. So now I got to figure out how I'm gonna I guess I got to take this off. I got to take this off, this clip, and then let me see if I have to. Alright, let me put this phone down so I can figure out how to do this. Okay, here we go again. I already took out these two. I already took these 2 wires off of it. And, it's an awkward position to work in. I'm reaching over the engine of the car. So far, all I have to do now is there's one little screw back here holding it. It's a torque screw. You see it there? That's the only screw holding it there. So I'm gonna take that screw out, pull it out, and then I can take this off of it and put my new one in, and then connect these 2 wires back. Okay, here it is. By the look of this thing, you could pretty much tell that it's probably the one that the car came with. You know, I mean, I guess it was about time for it to go. So I'm just gonna disconnect it. I have my new one somewhere around here. Okay. I have my new one right here. Nice new one. I'm gonna put that in there, and then we should be good to go. No more only high on the heat. So let me disconnect it and put my new one in. Now this wasn't easy to come off. So since we're gonna throw it out anyway, I just broke it up and just wiggle it out. And as you can see, it's all rusty inside here. And the connector is pretty rusty. So I'm gonna take a wire brush and brush it a little bit. And maybe put some electric grease in it. And just install my new one. Yeah, I don't think this is probably the first one that, you know, this probably came with the car. So I guess it was time for it to go. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put my new one in and get it going. All right, new one is connected. So now I gotta put it in there. And let's check it out now. All right, 1, 2. You can hear it. 3. Now we're good to go. 2, 3, 4. Before it was just working on 4, and of course swapped it out, and now we're good to go. Before I put everything back, I'm definitely gonna put this new filter in there. I went ahead and cleaned it up really good. Now it's just a matter of getting the filter in there and putting the wipers back on, and good to go.